In the last tutorial, we added the real-time notifications feature. In this tutorial, we are going to improve that feature. We are going to append the new reply automatically in the list, so user won't have to reload the page. First we need to fetch all the tickets of the user. So open your server.js file. And go to the GetUser API. And search the tickets created by user. If the logged-in user is representative, then fetch all tickets. And pass it in response. Then go to the file where this API is called. It is in Web, Source, Components, Layouts and AppHeader.view. When the response status is success, get the tickets. And listen to the new reply event from each ticket. And when the event is called, get the ticket ID from Vuex store, we will create it in a minute. Compare this ticket ID with the ticket ID received from event. If it matches, then append the reply in global replies array in store. We will also create it in a moment. Then go to store.js inside Vuex folder. And in your state function, create an array for replies. And ticket ID, initialize it from 0. And in mutations, we need to create a function to set the ticket ID. And another function to set the replies array. We also need to create a function append the reply in the list. Now in getters, we need to create a function to get the ticket ID. Another function to return the replies array. Now we need to send an event whenever a new reply is posted. So go to your tickets.js inside modules folder. And go to the reply API. And inside the condition when the role is user. Before this event that we sent in the previous tutorial, send another event to the representative. Pass the ticket ID in the name of the event. And also pass the ticket ID in the object. And the newly posted reply. And when the user role is representative, then do the same. But this time, we will be sending the event to the user who created this ticket. We are already listening to this event in AppHeader.view. We also have the Vuex store to append the reply. Now we need to get the values from that store. So open your ticket detail component.view. And remove the replies array from data object. We will get it using computed property. From the store. Now, wherever this replies array is used, we will replace it with store. When the reply is posted, we will use the store function to append the reply in this array. And then, when the data is fetched, we will set the replies array using store. And also we set the ticket ID in store. Now test the app. Refresh both sides. First, let me send a reply from representative, on left browser. And you will see that it will automatically be displayed on the right browser, which is the user. And same goes for user replies. So that's how you can display the new replies without having to refresh the page.